Cybersecurity is now understood as a core business risk for every organisation. As more activity moves to cloud services, data sharing and digital platforms, that risk continues to grow, while attackers only need to find one weak spot. At Hexiosec, we exist to change that balance. We help you understand and control digital risk before it becomes an incident. Hexiosec is a team of world-leading engineers with backgrounds in cybersecurity, defence and intelligence. We build UK sovereign cybersecurity products to give you clear visibility of your digital exposure and to enable sensitive data to be shared securely and confidentially. Our attack surface management platform, Hexiosec ASM, shows you exactly what is visible to an external attacker, including systems you may not realise are exposed. Our end-to-end encrypted file sharing platform, Hexiosec Transfer, is designed for sharing sensitive documents securely with clients and partners as a safer alternative to email attachments. We can help you design and build secure applications, services and cloud infrastructure so you can use modern technology securely and with confidence. At Hexiosec, we don't promise absolute security. We provide clarity, control and meaningful risk reduction, helping organisations operate securely and in an increasingly digital world. If now feels like the time to take control of your company's cybersecurity, then get in touch. We'd love to hear from you.